This is a pack of 3 storage cubes that I picked up from the Amazon team. Never used them before, wasn't quite sure of the quality. Let's turn it around and take a look. This is how they come. I got the pack of 3. They do come in, I think, a larger pack size. They are grey with a pattern on there with a sort of chocolate trim on there for security. You have your clear panel at the front so you can see what's in there. I think obviously the idea being that you stack them. On each end you've got a pull handle and it's stitched on quite well, I think, because shouldn't be coming off. It does seem to have like air holes in it, which is good because then it can breathe a little bit, which is nice if you've got things in the loft or in storage for quite a while. And obviously you've got your zip open on the top there. It's a double zip, so you can do it the two sides. Yeah, I think it's a really good product. Loads of capacity in there. You'd easily get a duvet in there or like a stack of pillows, loads of clothes. Apparently all my clothes have shrunk because they don't fit me anymore. But yeah, it is what you'd expect it to be. I think it's as I expected the product to come, to be honest with you. It's going to be one of those things you stuff it full of clothes, toys, or what have you to put away in storage, and you probably only get out every sort of couple of times a year, but it will do what it needs to do, keeps it all tidy and out of the way. So yeah, overall, I think it's a decent quality product. I'm happy with it. I'll probably get a few more cubes for other bits and pieces. But yeah, overall, a nice little product.